Hi there, in this video I'm going to continue my tutorial about how to create passcode system. I will create a new script. I call it passcode system. Then I will attach this script to this object. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain what I have here. I have this UI object. It has rect transform in it, and it is a parent object of buttons. They are buttons, and this one is just simple text, and this one also simple text text element, UI element. So I have this passcode system script here. Then I'm going to edit the script. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a number that we press. Each button that we press, the number should appear here accordingly. If I press 4, there should be 4 here, and so on. So I will add this line first, Unity Engine, using Unity Engine.ui. Then here I will add public text display. And I will add a string user text by default is just empty string. And then I'm going to create a function, public void type number, button press, and then it will has a parameter string txt, and then inside this block I will type user text plus equal user text plus equal txt, and then I will show the string value of this variable on the text display dot text user text. And I will go back to Unity, and then I will each button, all the button, I select all the buttons here, and then here on the on click event I click add, then I drag and drop this passcode input object here, find the passcode system script, and I will button press, yeah. And then for each button I will assign a value. For this one will be 1, and this one 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one will be asterisk, and this one will be 0, and this one will be hash. and the text display, if I select this object, I need to set the reference of the text display object, which is this one. Okay, I will go and test the game. Alright, I'm going to click one of these buttons, for example 5. You will see here 5 and 6, 2, 1, 3, and so on. Okay, now the problem is I need to limit only 6 digits of numbers, no more than 6 numbers, 6 digits. How to make the limitation, I will show it to you later on my next video. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.